Parking sensors I've ordered have come in. Let's open the box and check them out. So here in the box, you'll see there is a lot packed in there. First thing, this is a drill bit that it comes with. This is the power cable that comes with it. This is some double-sided tape. This is the main computing unit. This is the monitor that you put inside the truck. This is a little instruction booklet that it came with. It comes with 4 long sensors. These are long cables, and 4 short cable sensors. Those are ones in the front, ones in the back that are close to this box. So that's everything in the box. Let's go ahead and check these things out on the truck.
All right, so here is the truck that I wanted to put these sensors on. And the first thing I found was that I was correct. That drill bit is not going to do large, thick metal bumpers like this. And I really wasn't expecting it to. So I got to get me a good set of metal bits that I can install these sensors with. But until then, I decided to lay the sensors out and see how they're going to do. So far, they've been pretty good. So watch, I've got on top of the tire right here, I've got the little monitor. And as you can see, it's picking me up. See how it says 0.6? All right, here's the sensor. As I back away, it goes off. So it looks like about 5 feet away, the sensor's not going to say anything. And then as you start getting a little closer, it starts picking you up. And I've tested each sensor. They all seem to pick me up pretty good. This sensor's actually turned a little. Now it's really picking me up. So yeah, I think this is going to work out really well. This little device, it doesn't actually blink like that. It's the LEDs in the device and the LED in the camera. So it's definitely picking me up, and it's definitely showing me a range. And then I have another set up here that's going to go in this metal bumper. And I've got the wires laid out. I'm going to have to decide where I'm going to put these holes in the bumper and then mount it on. I haven't done the front either because behind this big metal bumper is actually another big chunk of metal that I would need to drill through. And I don't have a bit to do that right this minute. So I'm going to put this up for now and come back and install these. But yeah, this thing is pretty cool. And this sensor, I like it because it's nice and small. That's my hand. I just put my hand in front of the sensor. I like the fact that it's nice and small like this because it's not going to take up much room on my dash, but I can pretty much install it right over my speedometer and everything else in my truck. So that way when I'm backing up or pulling forward and I need to know if I'm getting close, there you go. It lets me know how close. I'm also going to have some backup cameras installed so I can keep an eye on it. But I really like this thing just chirping, letting me know, hey, look up, look at this. There's something there. So I really like it. I think it's going to be awesome. All right. If this was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, if you would subscribe to the channel, that really helps me out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.